In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your page layout design in Chrome. We'll be working inside your design canvas, and the goal is to place a video neatly into your section layout so it plays from either a hosted streaming link or a direct file upload. This is a simple process, but a few small details can make everything go much more smoothly, so I'll walk you through it clearly. To begin, open Chrome and go to the page layout design workspace you want to update. Once you've found the correct canvas, click Edit on your chosen page layout. This will open the design area where you can make changes to the section structure and add new content elements. Make sure you're editing the right layout before continuing, especially if you manage more than one version of a page. Once you're inside the Canvas workspace, locate the section where you want the video to appear. In that section layout, add a video block. This is the element that holds and displays the video on the page. Depending on the layout, you may want to think about placement before moving on, since a video often works best where it's easy for visitors to notice without interrupting the rest of the page flow. After the video block has been added, go to the link input field for the video track and paste in your hosted streaming destination URL. This can be a video link from a supported platform such as YouTube or Vimeo. Be sure to paste the full and correct link so the system can recognize it properly. If the video does not load as expected, it's often helpful to double check for extra spaces or formatting issues in the URL. If you prefer not to use a hosted streaming link, there is another option. Instead, you can upload your video asset file directly using the native storage upload tool. This method is useful if you want to host the file through the platform itself rather than linking out to a streaming service. Just follow the direct upload path in the video block settings and select the file you want to use. For best results, make sure the video file is fully prepared before uploading so you avoid delays or replacement later. Once the video source has been added, whether by URL or direct upload, click Save. This confirms your changes and updates the page layout with the new video content. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the page and test playback to make sure the video appears correctly and functions the way you expect. That's it. You've now added a video to your page layout design inside Chrome.